Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Sign into the same WBID on both your phone and the console so the game recognizes one account. Once done, update the mobile app and console game to the latest build. This avoids sync errors. Now open MK Mobile, go to Settings, then Account, then Console Link. That starts the handshake. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi and stay active during the next steps to prevent timeouts or mismatches. You'll now execute the actual link. On the console, open Mortal Kombat and display the console link code. Next, on mobile, pick console link and the correct console type, then enter the 68-character code exactly as shown. After entering the code, the game will ask permission to sync progress and purchases. Accept those; they are necessary for full linking. If the code times out, request a new one and repeat, because codes often expire in a minute or two. Finish by verifying that progress, characters, and purchases appear on both devices. Open your roster and a recent tower to confirm. If linking fails, relog into your WBID on both devices, restart the game apps, then request a fresh link code and try again. Patience matters, because brief server delays are common. Also make sure cloud saves are enabled and don't swap accounts during the process. If issues persist, wait 5 minutes and repeat the steps to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.